Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Roseanna. Yeah, let me just move this in a little bit closer. Don't be shy. So yes, so I know I was going on vacation. Girl, you know you're going on vacation. You know that you're gonna have to stop the mail, but yet you still keep on ordering. So that is what we're gonna be talking about today. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2ish. So yeah, like, make comments, ring the bell, tell your friends, subscribe, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate your support, and thank you so much for helping me grow this channel. And now without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, girl, what is your problem? I don't know what my like in my mind I was, girl, why do you keep on ordering the stuff? You're not even going to be here. Who's going to pick up the products? What if they leave it outside? What if they melt? Then what? Yeah, but I just kept on clickety clack, click click. So that yeah, this is where we are right now. So let's just get started. I'm like so super excited. Half the stuff I have forgotten what I ordered. So yeah, so let's just start off with this little lover right over here. It's just the package. It's just the package-a-rooney. Let me see here. I'm like so super excited. This is going to be like, you know what? Let me move my microphone because I have it right here. I'm going to move it up because last time I did like an unboxing, it was so loud. It was so freaking loud. I'm going to just grab my scissors and see what we got here. Oh yes, so I am a big Refer brush fan. I adore their brushes. They used to have the concept store, which I don't know if they have it now. Now it's like a discount. I think if you let me just go back to the concept store. What they would do is that, that's why I love them so much, is that they would ask consumers, you know, for a discounted price. I want to say it was probably 50% off. I think so. We want to send you our brushes. We want like an honest opinion. What do you think? I think that it was such a beautiful, great idea to have consumers legitimately involved in your brand. I think it was so great. But anyway, I adore Refer. So now I think it's called something else. It's like a discount, something like if they send you products. And by the way, it's not like they sent me anything. It's just at a discounted price just for my review. But anyway, so they just came out, if I'm not mistaken, here it is. There it is. They just came out with an eyelash curler. Yes. How beautiful. Look, I am such a sucker for packaging. I'm your girl. I will fall for it. How beautiful is this? Yep, this is the eyelash curler and a refill pad. So nice. So let me just check this out. I was like I want to say like probably last year, I don't know what the heck happened. I must have I don't know, when I was curling my eyelashes, like a couple of them snapped like right in the middle. I'm like, what? So I have been petrified to use my eyelash curler. Look how beautiful that is. Isn't that so sleek? That is so gorgeous. But anyway, but when I saw that the Refer was coming out with their own nice and rubbery, I'm like, girl, don't be shy. You can do it. I have faith in you. And here's the little extra rubbery insert that they said that came in. And of course, you know, I had to get some more of their brushes. They are amazing. They are natural brushes. Oof, they are so nice. Of course, I will leave their website down below. If you haven't tried them, you must. Like I said, this is a brand new product, but their brushes are outstanding. Okay, cool beans. This is from Sephora, and I know I grabbed a few products. I'm like, again, like I didn't know. I think I was like possessed. I'm not even lying. I just kept on clicking, and it wasn't like in one night swoop. I had like, you know, a breakdown, and I said, I'm gonna no. It was like during like, you know, a course of like a week, 2 weeks. I'm like, what is your friggin' problem? But yet I still did it. Okay, cool. Let's see here. Oh, yes, Rooney. So I picked up some products for Makeup by Mario. He's so delicious. I love him. So I did pick up the Soft Pop blush sticks. I picked one in Dusty Rose. I also picked one in Pale Petal. And then I also picked up his, this is just a regular powder blush, I think. Yep, the Soft Pop Powder Blush. And this one also is in Desert Rose. And I know I picked up his sculpting stick, but they didn't have my color at Sephora, so I did order it from his website. It could be here. I'm not really sure, but yeah. And then while I was on vacation, I had the nerve. I went away with my family and my daughter's best friend. She had this amazing, and I don't know how you pronounce this, Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. It is so beautiful. I just love like the color that it leaves. It's got like that little pale pink. I'm like, hey, do you think I could borrow that? She's like, no. I'm like, all right, guys, I'm just making sure that there was nothing left in the box. Yeah, so I have to get it for myself. So I did pick that up. I absolutely am going to do a video with the makeup by Mario products right over here. Like I said, I did order the bronzing. I don't know if it's a bronzing stick, a contour stick. I can't even remember, but I know I picked it up. It could be this one. I'm not even sure because this has nothing on it but my name. Your name's all over the place, girl. I cracked myself up. Man, you guys, leave me some comments below. Do you like... first of all, let's just start that I'm an infomercial junkie. But I haven't done that in a long time. But now, you know, it's like one vice for another. Now it's makeup. So let's see here. This is still to me. Oh, it is. Look. It is. Thank you so much. But with all this burdello down here, I don't know how you say in English, burdello. It's like all this brouhaha. Let me see. Yes. Here it is. So, yep, I picked up the Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick in light medium. And of course, I'm not going to open up anything because I want to do like a full review on his products. Now, I will tell you this. This I know, of course, this is Pixi. I adore my Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist. I go through that like water. And I happen to be on their website because I was getting something else. And I happen to know, you know what, let me just order the Hydrating Milky Mist from here. But they had one like on auto delivery. Like they literally have like, and a giant size to boot. So yes, so I do have this on auto delivery. I cannot remember how much it is, but I will have everything linked below. Oh, and by the way, I did do a video on all this makeup. I will link that video down below. And of course, I will tell you, all the products I have on my face, they will be linked below as well. I could have sworn I bought something else, no? Okay, girl. But I use this like all the time. Actually, I just finished like a regular size bottle and I have it in my, you know, my bucket of empties. What the heck is that? Oh, yes, I know. My regular bucket of empties. Oh, my girl. This is like, I want to say like my second one that I finished. That means note to self. You got to get on it with these, with this empties video because now my bin is piling up. So I don't know. Yeah, Colourpop, you're my best friend. From what I'm gathering, I really don't see much of Colourpop at Ulta anymore. I don't know what's going on, but I think they may be doing away with it at Ulta. I'm not really sure, but I did pick up some stuff. I don't even remember what the heck I picked up. Oh my God, girl, you went ham. Yes, so I did pick up the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid. I love this because I have like maybe that much left of my other bottle. So I have picked that up. It must have been a sale. It must have been. Oh, I remember, yes, because I picked up these new eyeshadow palettes. This one is in, let's see, let's open this little lover. Ooh, that is beautiful. Look how, let me open that up because you just can't do it justice. Look how gorgeous. So I did pick up a couple of these. Of course, these remind me of the Natasha Denona, her minis. And yes, I picked that up. Yep, I also picked up this color. This one is in Lyric. Let's open this up. I feel like I'm like this. I'm all over the place. I feel like I'm like this. Oh, shishka bibble. Damn it, I hate when that happens. This one is cracked. You see that? Ooh, it fell all over the place. Damn. And I don't know how to do like that. Ooh, look, now it's all over. I don't know how to fix it, but I'm going to see if my kids know how. Shishka bibble. I hate when that happens. Okay, I'm going to have to clean off my hands here. So I got that. Liner. Let me see what color this is. Oh, this is the cream gel liner. This is in, what color is this? This is in Mr. Bing. I really, really love like brown liners. I can't remember the last time I wore a black eyeliner. And you know, I know, and these are not new, of course, but I loved this color scheme. I don't know what made me wait on these. This is the, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Baroque, but I got this one, and I also got, I believe this is the blush. Yep, the pressed powder blush. So we're going to be doing, yes, we're going to be doing a lot of try-ons. Okay, then last but not least is another Sephora box. I think, I don't understand why these companies use all these big boxes for like the tiniest little thing. This feels like it's got air in it. That's what it feels like it has. So let me just look at that. And I have another collection that I picked out, but you know, I'll let you guys wait. And when it gets here, you'll be, of course, the first to know. What the hell did I buy here? Oh, yes, I bought the Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment SPF 15. My lips are always so dry. Like, I work in an OR. I'm an OR nurse, so my lips are constantly dry. But I love to leave, like, just a little lip balm, like, in my bathroom, like, every morning, every night. And I usually have, I want to say it's the dragon fruit, the dragon something by Milk, Kush Milk. I'll leave a picture over here, but I'm sure you guys know what I'm talking about. But I wanted to try something different, and I have like a little itty bitty, and I was going to repurchase it, but I said, let me try something different. So I grabbed that. Is that it? This big ass box for that? Yep, so that's it, guys. This is all my unboxing while I was away on vacation. I kept on hitting click, 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 click. But that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this cute, short little video of unboxing with me. And thank you so much for sharing your time with me. And that's it, guys. You guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.